Dear brothers and sisters, we would like to learn what are the 4 greatest sins as stated by the Prophet ﷺ. One day the Prophet ﷺ was sitting and said 3 times, "Shall I inform you the greatest sin?" The Sahaba said, "O Prophet of Allah, please inform us." He said, "To join partners in worship of Allah, that is to say shirk, and to be undutiful to your parents, which is number 2. Then Prophet ﷺ sat down straight, and because he was reclining before, and then he said, "And I warn you against giving forged statement and false witness." Then he said again, "I warn you against giving forged statement and false witness." Then he repeated for the 3rd time that I warn you giving forged statements and false witnesses. And the companions said, we were afraid that the Prophet ﷺ will never stop giving this warning. Dear brothers, what are we learning from these 4 sins? Not to do shirk, not to do. Don't make partners with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And be dutiful to your parents. And now today, in our Muslim Ummah, we see the Muslims, they give the false witnesses and they give false statement. And that 1400 years ago, the Prophet ﷺ has warned us that don't submit and don't give any forged statements and don't give any false witnesses. May Allah save us, all of us, from these 4 great sins. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa